Hello, this is SAIF from Success Computer Training Center and Agency. Today I will show you how can remove pictures background in Illustrator. So first we enter our Illustrator software and select any kind of format which I want, and then select which product we want to remove background. Then we select this picture, and now we can make a second layer. So second layer we locked and we working on our first layer. Okay, and you need to know how can used pen tool. Okay, so if you using very friendly with pen tool, then you can easily remove your pictures background. So here we complete our pen tools work, and then we unlocked our second layer option. Okay, then we go to select all, and then we go to clipping mask to make. Here we complete our pictures background. Thank you.